So, do you know that the right to internet is your fundamental right? Yes, you heard it right. Right to internet is your fundamental right. तो आज के टॉपिक में हम यही डिस्कस करेंगे कि राइट टू इंटरनेट कहाँ से आया और राइट टू इंटरनेट को फंडामेंटल राइट कैसे बनाया गया। इससे पहले हम देखते हैं कि ऐसे कौन से कंट्रीज हैं जिन्होंने इंटरनेट एक्सेस को बेसिक ह्यूमन राइट डिक्लेयर किया है। All these countries have declared the internet access as a basic human right in their country. It is not possible for the development without digitalization, especially in today's generation. That's why in 2016, United Nations Human Rights Council said that the right to internet should be made a fundamental right. Even today, 60% of the people in the world does not have a right to internet. And if you look at the third world countries, then only 1 out of 10 people have internet access. क्या आपको पता है कि इंडिया में इंटरनेट शटडाउन भी हुआ था? जी हाँ, जब भारत में जम्मू एंड कश्मीर को 2 यूनियन टेरिटरीज में डिवाइड किया गया था, तब वहां पर इंटरनेट शटडाउन हुआ था। On 4th August 2019, when the Parliament revoked Article 370 of the Indian Constitution through Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act of 2019, under this act, the Jammu and Kashmir divided into the 2 union territories, that is, Jammu and Kashmir and Leh Ladakh. Simultaneously imposed Section 144 of CRPC, which prohibits unlawful assembly for maintenance of a peace with internet shutdown. This shutdown was the longest internet shutdown in the Indian history, and it is restored after 213 days on 4th March 2020. Between 4th August 2019 to the 4th March 2020, भारत में 3 important judgment हुए जिसके आधार पर right to internet was introduced and right to internet became the fundamental right. तो पहला केस है Faheema Shirin versus the state of Kerala. This is 2019 case. So in this case, the Faheema Shirin was a hostel girl, and according to her hostel rules, the internet should not be used after 6. So this rule was challenged, stating that it restricts the growth of the study. Looking into the facts of this case, the Kerala High Court observed that right to access internet is a fundamental right, as well as it connects with right to privacy under Article 21 and also with the right to education. There is one more case, that is the Anuradha Basin versus the Union of India. This is 2020 case. This case directly relates to the Jammu and Kashmir. In this case, the internet shutdown, which was imposed on the 4th August, was challenged. So in this case, it was held that to carry on any trade, business, or the occupation on the medium of internet enjoys the constitutional protection. So the restrictions on this is a violation of Article 19. So after the judgment on the 10th January, the lowest speed, that is the 2G internet services, had allowed in the Jammu and Kashmir. Supreme Court also pronounced that due to the immediate threat or security concern, a temporary ban on the service is permissible. But ban on the internet service for an indefinite time is not the right thing. The balance between the national security and the human right should be maintained. So in this case, it was decided that the right to internet is a part of Article 19 Clause 1A. Talking about the third case law, that is the Foundation of Media versus the Union of India. In this case, a blanket ban on the 4G and 3G network was challenged. This case is a very famous case and it is well known as a 4G network case. In this case, it was held that a ban on the internet services violates the fundamental right of the citizens, such as right to education, right to freedom of speech and expression, right to freedom of trade, occupation and the business, right to health and many more fundamental rights. इस केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कई सारे डायरेक्शंस को इशू किए टू रिज्यूम द 4G सर्विसेज एंड इट आल्सो सेट अप अ कमिटी. यहाँ पर हम एक और केस लॉस के बारे में देखेंगे, विच इज PUCL वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. इस केस में फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये कहा गया है कि फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच एंड एक्सप्रेशन एक पर्सन को फ्रीडम देता है टू एक्सप्रेस सम आइडियाज और सम ओपिनियन, और इंटरनेट एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है टू एक्सप्रेस वंस ओपिनियन. सो द राइट टू इंटरनेट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आर्टिकल 19. So the conclusion part is that now the right to internet is a fundamental right, but in a coming future it might become a basic human right as well, because everything is going to be on internet and internet plays a very important role whether positively or negatively. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.